Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Even its sport mode isn't overbearing, which is saying something in the context of a performance model. Plenty of commuter cars behave like angry chihuahuas straining their leashes when you spin the dial to sport. By comparison, the Corvette is a well-trained shepherd. Alert, but not tense, ready, but not poised. It's an excellent balance for a dedicated sports car. And since the Corvette utilizes GM's latest magnetic ride control suspension, the same holds true for the ride. The pocked and occasionally ice-packed roads of southeast Michigan are problematic even in the plushest of luxury cars, but the C8's electronically controlled dampers manage it commendably and without suffering from the small dog big feet syndrome that plagues the likes of the Ford Mustang Mach-1. The thrum of tires on asphalt and light scratches of wind over exterior plastics are constant reminders of the Corvette's reputation as the working stiff supercar. The small block contributes some rough and tumble charm, though it took a while to get used to hearing that bark coming from over my shoulder, especially in the surprisingly frequent moments where the experience felt so distinctive that I actually forgot I was driving a Corvette. The worst thing I have to say about this car is that the V8 is the odd item out in this formula. Its coarseness and relatively low redline seem at odds with the borderline telepathic transmission and chassis response. Don't get me wrong, it's an excellent engine and it does its job admirably. It just feels oddly anachronistic in such a radically redefined Corvette. The high-revving, flat-plane crank V8 in the forthcoming Z06 is going to be absolutely at home in this chassis. Gee, do you suppose Chevy's engineers knew that going in? The C8 invites comparison to a wide range of cars, but the one I can't help coming back to is the 911. Both have their rough edges, whether for the sake of hereditary obligation or merely imposed by cost. And while their engines aren't in the same location, both are capable of phenomenal on-track performance without punishing those who want one badly enough to live with them day to day. And when you feel you've outgrown their potential, both can be traded in for a more extreme permutation. Unless you're a die-hard manual fan, choosing between the two could be tough.